Feeling lost in the world of healthcare? Let's simplify things by learning how to navigate CVS Health like a pro. First, head to your local CVS Pharmacy. You can find one near you by using the store locator on the CVS website or app. Once you're there, you can fill prescriptions, pick up over-the-counter medications, and browse a wide variety of health and wellness products. Now, let's talk about the CVS Health app. Download it from the App Store or Google Play. This app is your key to managing your prescriptions, refilling medications, and tracking your health information all in one convenient place. To refill a prescription, simply log into the app, tap on prescriptions, and select the medication you want to refill. You can choose to pick it up in store or have it delivered to your door. Need quick medical care? Check out MinuteClinic. It's a walk-in clinic located inside select CVS stores. You can schedule appointments online or simply walk in for services like vaccinations, physicals, and treatment for minor illnesses. MinuteClinic is a great option for convenient and affordable healthcare when your primary care physician isn't immediately available. And that's it. With these tips, you're now ready to confidently navigate CVS Health for all your healthcare needs. Remember to explore all the features offered by the app and website for a smoother, healthier you.